name's Michelle Rogers. I own Sonoma Valley Trail Rides. This is Timber, one of our trail horses. Welcome to Sonoma, California, and we are here at one of our vineyard venues. We offer trailback rides through the vineyards, and we also have some mountain rides where you can package that with a wine tasting and a picnic or both, or just do the ride. So any riders over the age of 12 are welcome to join us, and you can see more at SonomaValleyTrailRides.com. Thank you.
Hi, we're here with Sonoma Valley Trail Rides. Today in beautiful Napa, California. We're on the site of the DeRosa Center for Contemporary Art. It's 217 acres of beautiful land to explore by horseback. We'll be seeing larger-than-life sculptures along the trail. I hope you'll join us.
Sonoma, you're looking beautiful.